Hey guys, we are in traffic here on I-40. I-40 Tennessee. I think something happened over there. I feel like I'm seeing a fire or smoke. So we're gonna find out what's going on up there. Traffic just started. So let's see what happened. I feel like there's a truck or something is burning out. I still have 8 hours to go. No, it's just say more than 8 hours. 8 hours and 57 minutes. I'm heading to Dallas, Texas. So I picked up a Amazon trailer from Louisville, Tennessee, Kentucky. From Louisville, I'm heading to Dallas. So let's see what's causing the traffic here. Man, I see a lot of smoke. I don't know if you guys can see it from the camera, but I want to see what's going on here. I don't have a CB radio, so I was gonna find out what's going on, but man, I'm seeing the smoke. Man, what is that burning? I'm hoping whoever is involved in there is alright. Maybe it's a 4-wheeler, or is it 18-wheeler is involved, we don't know, but we're gonna find out shortly. The traffic on this side, the traffic on that side. Man, the ambulance will start going there. The first responders are just coming, are just responding. Something happened. We are right now on standstill. I just saw that guy put the parking lot. He pulled his brakes. Let me pull mine too. Should I pull the trailer, the truck? Usually I pull the trailer. And then I make sure it's neutral. Man, if we are on standstill, that means the road is closed. We might be waiting for the firefighters. Am I on top of Mississippi River? Let me see. Oh, this is called Tennessee River. Oh, Mississippi is all the way in Memphis. I'm stupid. That's alright. We're somewhere in Tennessee. You see, my app is even telling me there's an accident right there. Okay, somebody hit somebody. So maybe I should end the video right here, and then as soon as I'm at the crash site, I'll start recording. Man, how you guys can see this smoke. Let me see if I can zoom it in. I have to hold it. I'll zoom it in. I'll hold it. Okay. You guys see the smoke? Man, look at the ambulance. Oh my God. Actually, that's a DOT. Yeah, there's a lot of smoke there. That's the first responder just responded. Man, I hope before they close the road we can go. I'm still worried about my Amazon delivery. maybe people are somebody who got hurt really bad. Man, there's a lot of smoke. Let me still zoom it in. You see all that smoke? I'm like 500 feet. Maybe less than that. Yeah, there's a smoke coming from the other side all the way there too. Man, we're gonna see how bad is the crash. I'm on I-40. I'm heading I-40 west. So my times tells me I'll get there by midnight, but I'm not gonna drive all the way there. Oh my God! Look at the huge black smoke, man. Let me zoom it in. You guys see that puff? Look at that big black smoke. Man, the smoke is getting bad and bad. Oh my God. Shit. Oh my God. The line is all the way back. Maybe we're like a mile long all the way back. We were moving slow by slow, but now we are just, I pull my brakes. Oh, somebody just got out. He's walking outside. I think I should go out and start walking too. We need to walk. Man, I see two people walking. As truck drivers, we need to walk, man. We usually don't walk a lot. We always sitting down or driving. So I see two truck drivers. I can tell they're truck drivers because of their headset. Their headphones, I mean. And I feel like something big happened. Something, man, it's still burning. I think I should get out and walk there and see if I can see it from there. I only saw one first responder. I didn't see no ambulance. Maybe they're already there, who knows. Or I didn't see no firefighters. I only saw one state trooper just passed by there. Smoke coming out. I know something is burning out. I'll just end the video right here, and then as soon as we start moving, I'm passing next to them. I'm gonna start recording. Adios. Alright, let's start recording again. I just saw big, huge firefighter on that way. Oh my God, I think they close southbound. No, I mean eastbound too. I don't see cars moving on this side too. Man, they closed the road. Man, what the heck is going on, man? What the heck is going on? Westbound we stand still. Eastbound I don't see no cars moving on the eastbound. I just saw a firefighter. That means they're closed. By now, we've been standing here for like about 15 minutes or so, maybe more. So I think it's like more than a mile, maybe 2 miles long. The traffic is like maybe 2 miles long. I think I should get out and start walking toward the fire. Or maybe I should let first responders do their job. I mean, I want to see what's going on up there. I was hoping to record the firefighter passing next to me, but I guess I don't see him. Maybe that was the one that went this way and then came back and then went the other way. I still see a smoke coming from there. I feel like going back and sleeping back there. Yeah, the smoke actually getting white, so that means they're pouring water or something. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Let's see if I can zoom it in. You see this? There's actually less smoke. I don't see the smoke anymore. I guess they turned the fire off. Okay, let me turn it off. So guys, we start moving after like 40 minutes, maybe 45. You guys see southbound, eastbound is closed, I-40 eastbound. So I think a tanker is burned out, like a fuel tanker, I believe. So now we start moving. So let's see what happened. So let me turn my lights on. Man, accident happened on the westbound. I feel bad for the eastbound. They closed the whole road. So that is a tanker, man. It was a tanker. I don't know if somebody hit him, small car or accident. Oh, he just started burning out. So that's the firefighter. They had to shoot the fire from this side. Check out the eastbound, the whole road is closed. So let's check out how many miles is the line, man. Maybe 2-3 miles, man. 2-3 easily. Look at all these trucks, all these four-wheelers. It is long line, man. It is long line. about to go down. Let me see what time. It's 4 p.m. I think the sun is gonna go down like 5:20 or 5 something. Maybe 4:50, I don't know. But the line is still going. We're still driving. Man, now you can see it. See? I don't know if you guys can see that fur all the way up the hill. The line is all the way there. And I feel bad for this one. But they're gonna start driving shortly. They're gonna be on the move. Thanks to the first responders for keeping us safe, for keeping the road safe. Man, the line is still going, still going. So I've been driving for like a mile. All these semi trucks. The camera on the window and see the line is still going. I think nobody hit the tank. I think the fire just started coming out and then he pulled off because I didn't see no small car. Maybe they towed it, who knows. So I see the line still all the way. I'm still driving in 4 minutes. Because of the sun, I don't think you guys can see that good, but all the way I can still see the line. We have here 128 miles away from Memphis, Tennessee. Alright guys, I'll end the video. The line is still going. You guys can see all those trucks. I feel like there's more trucks than small cars. Man, look at the line. Look at the line. People are taking breaks. I wanted to see where the line is gonna end, but I will just end the video so I can safely drive it. Let me end the video, guys. Adios. That's the line. I don't think you guys can see because of the sun. So let me just end the video.